That's how we keep popping out that binge, yeah. Both friends, we're friends, better than your friends, yeah. SMS them, they know all my business. I don't know what I would do without all of my crew, yeah.
Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do another review on a wig. This is the MLU09 wig from the Newborn Free collection. I really love this wig, you guys. I got this wig from ebonyline.com. Right now the shipping is only $4.99, so I'm really loving that. I love ordering from ebonyline.com. The hair usually comes in a reasonable time. I've never had any delays or anything like that, and plus the shipping is $4.99, so I would definitely recommend ordering from them. That's my honest opinion. This wig wasn't given to me by them or anything like that. I paid for this with my own money. So yeah, I'm just trying to let you guys know, if you want some inexpensive shipping with also like a great selection of wigs, I would go through Ebony Line. Anyway, back to the wig. So this is the MLU09 wig. I've been eyeing this wig for a little while, and I've seen a few other girls do reviews on this wig, and it made me really want this wig. Another girl was saying how much it looks like bundles and how pretty it is and stuff like that, so I was like, I had to see what this wig is like for myself. So I got this wig about a week ago. I've only worn her once, and so there's a lot of good things about this wig, and then there's also some bad things about this wig. So I'll say the good things first. This wig does come with the Swiss lace parting space, so that's really good about it. It also has a lot of parting room. I would show you guys how to part it right now, but it's gonna get really tingly. So this wig, you can part it from, let me try to feel, you can part it from here to here. Let me show you guys what the parting space looks like. I did add some makeup to it, just a little bit. I think I'm gonna add more after this video, or hold on, I think I'm gonna add it right now. Give me 1 second. For my parting spots, it's just this Maybelline little powder, nothing fancy, nothing special. You want to use powder for it because it's less messy and it makes it look more realistic. I used to use foundation, and yeah, I found out the hard way. It's messy and you just get like a much better finish with this. So hold on, let me do this really quick. Yeah, so back to the wig. She's a very pretty curl pattern. This looks like it can be some bundles, like the wavy bundles or something like that. It's very pretty. It has a very pretty curl pattern. I love that about it. This wig has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. As I said, the parting space on this wig is amazing. You can come up with a lot of different hairstyles. Follow me on Instagram and you guys can see the different hairstyles that I come up with. I'm sure I'm gonna do like a half up, half down, or little buns. Like, you can do all kinds of things with this wig because of the parting space, so I love that about it. She's also very long, so I'm like 5'4", and this wig goes down to my waist. Very long, very full. I'm gonna pull it all to the front so you guys can see how full she is. This wig is so full without being heavy. That's another thing that I really love about this wig. It doesn't feel like you have a lot of hair on. It feels very light, even though this is a lot of hair. She's a little hot underneath it, but you know, that's expected with all of this hair and stuff like that. But she's very pretty, very glamorous. This wig is definitely date night hair, definitely going out hair. Before the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys just how long she is. Now, let me get into a few things that I don't like about this hair. This hair gets tangled really fast. Like I said, I've only worn this hair once, and she's already getting like so many tangles. Like, I can't even put my hands through this hair. So I'm gonna have to comb her out, and usually I don't like to do that with my wigs because the more you comb like curly synthetic hair, the less life you get out of it. So sometimes I kind of like to just leave them alone. The only thing, yeah, this wig, you're gonna get some tangles with her, definitely. I would say, you know, try to do the best you can. I've been finger combing this wig and stuff like that, but it's kind of what I expected. It's a curly synthetic wig. You're gonna get some tangles on her. It does feel very soft. The texture of it is, I wouldn't say it's a yaki or anything like that. I would say it's possibly like a light yaki texture to it. It's definitely not silky. So I like that about it, and that means it's not gonna tangle like too much. Usually when you get a silky wig, they will do a lot of tangling. But yeah, this wig is pretty. I love the density of it. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. This wig I think is on sale right now for $34. I'm gonna put a link down below for this wig, so if you guys are interested in purchasing her, you can. I have this wig in a 1B. This wig comes in several different colors. She is curling iron safe if you like to straighten it up to 360 degrees. When this wig gets old, I probably am gonna straighten it, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how she looks. I know that this will be really pretty straightened, so I'm probably gonna end up doing that to her, just not right now. Yeah, I feel like I've covered everything about this hair. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I feel like I've kind of went over everything about this wig. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And again, please comment, like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. So I'll see you later, right? Bye.